Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Vystar to your Cash app. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do is open up your Vystar mobile app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this transfers option from the bottom of your screen. From these options, you have to click on this external transfer. After you do that, it will show you this screen. So from here, you have to click on this two option. Then you need to search for the bank, so you can simply use this search bar to search for a specific bank account. Then you need to add your bank credentials. So if you don't have your own banking online credentials, you can simply click on this link using account number, so that you can enter your account number and routing number to link your bank account. So once you have linked your bank account to your Vystar, you need to make a transfer from your Vystar to your bank account. So what you need to do is that in two option you have to select your Vystar bank account, and in from option you have to select the bank account that you have linked, and in amount option enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Vystar to your Cash app. After that, simply click on this transfer button and make a transfer to your bank account. Once you have the transferred the money from Vystar to your bank account, you need to open up your Cash app, and then you need to click on this profile icon at the top. Then this will open up a profile page. So from here you have to scroll down, and then you need to click on this linked banks. Right after that, you need to click on this link bank option. Then it will show you this screen. So from here you have to click on this continue button. Now from here, search for your bank account that you have used to transfer money from your Vystar. So simply link that bank to your Cash app also. And once you have linked your bank account, this will show you this screen. So just simply click on this done button. And after this, you need to open up your Cash app again, and then you need to click on this balance that is showing at the bottom of your screen. Then it will show you this screen. So from here you have to click on this add cash option. Then it will show you this screen. So from here you have to select the amount that you want to transfer from your bank to your Cash app. So just select the amount and then click on this add button. And once you click on add button, it will ask you for a payment method. So you need to choose that bank account that have used to transfer that you use to transfer money from Vystar. So you can use this bank method as a payment method, and then that money will be transferred in your Cash app. So that is how you can transfer your Vystar money to your Cash app. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.